Hi everybody, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. It's been a while since I've done a cooking video. We've been working on the garden. We've got that all finished now, and it doesn't even look like I'll have to go out and water today because it rained, so I can do some cooking. So today we're going to make Strawberry Rhubarb Crisp. And I've never worked with rhubarb before. We didn't have that in Louisiana. So I found this recipe that I'm going to try. I love apple crisp, so I'm sure strawberry rhubarb will be just as delicious. So to start off, we're going to need a pound of strawberries and a pound of rhubarb. I'm going to get the rhubarb washed up. I've got the strawberries washed up. I'm going to cut everything up. You want your rhubarb in 1-inch pieces. Let's get started. Next, we want to chop our strawberries that are almost frozen, partially frozen. The refrigerator doesn't know if it just wants to cool or freeze or both. While you're getting your fruit ready, you want to go ahead and set your oven temperature to 375 degrees. Okay, once you have everything chopped up, then you want to take 3/4 cup sugar and pour it on your rhubarb. Mix it up. Let it sit once you get everything mixed up for about 15 minutes. And then for your strawberries, you want to take a 1/2 cup and then mix this up and let this sit also. It's going to pull those juices out. I love strawberries. And we have a bunch of strawberry plants. I think Joe planted 150. So, and then I was reading that each plant can make a pound of strawberries. So that's 150 pounds of strawberries. I think I need to start making more preserves. While our strawberries and our rhubarb are sitting in sugar, we're going to go ahead and make the topping. The topping is 1 stick of unsalted butter softened, 1½ cups of light brown sugar, 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1¼ cups quick cooking rolled oats, 3 tablespoons canola oil, 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon, and a 3/4 teaspoon of salt. So then we're just going to mix this together. Till it's like crumbly. It might be easier just to do it with your hands. Alright, that looks good. It's pretty crumbly to me. I don't see any more dry flour. Alright. Alright, after everything is sat, Then you want to take your strawberries, put it in with your rhubarb. Give that a little mix. And then you want to take 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. One teaspoon vanilla. And we're going to cheat and do 2 of these. Make sure that this is mixed up good. Pour it in there. And then we're going to top it with this. Okay, we're going to put this in and we're going to bake it for 30 minutes at 375. So you cook it at 375 for 30 minutes, and then after 30 minutes you turn it down to 350 degrees and cook it for another 30 minutes, and then it'll be done. Alright y'all, the buzzer just went off. That looks yummy. That looks delicious. We're going to let it sit for about 10 to 20 minutes, and then we're going to try it out.
Ooh, that looks good.
Don't it?
It does.
Ooh.
It looks really good.
I bet ice cream would be on top of that. Would be
It
good.
would.
Alright, Strawberry Rhubarb Crisp.
That's it. It's absolutely delicious. This is really, really good.
Well, there you have it. Strawberry Rhubarb Crisp, everybody. So, if you make this, let me know what you think. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.